Hey, what's up everyone? Jeremy here. We're just going to continue on to get a better understanding on what we learned in the last tutorial on how this beginning part of HTML works. And once you start to get it, it's going to just snowball and it's going to get a lot easier. There's different ways that HTML, this coding language, gives you to format your text, but it already comes pre-formatted for the most part. For instance, a p tag, this paragraph tag, if I put another p tag below it, you're going to notice that it automatically brings that new line to the next row. So now we've used the paragraph tag for our text, and I want us to use another tag so we can possibly make a newspaper article really quick. And let's just go ahead and delete this right here. So this other tag I want to talk to you about, they're called heading tags. And these tags are typically only used for titles and names of important sections on a page. And these range from h1 to h6, h1 being the largest. To get a better idea on what I mean, let's use the h1 tag, the largest tag, and create the name of our newspaper article. So we'll call it the BS Times. Alright, so this is automatically going to be formatted and it's going to be larger, and we can then put our next paragraph, whatever we wanted to put down here. And inside of here, here's a neat trick. There's a site called Lorem Ipsum, and it's all copyright, trademark free stuff that you can just use. So let's just go ahead and copy this right here and put that as that paragraph, and let's format this a little bit to make it easier for us to read. Okay, so this bit will be our paragraph, and let's go ahead and have one additional paragraph after, just as a closing, maybe who it's from or something, whatever it may be. Written with love from Jeremy. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this and see what we got. And what we're going to find is it's perfectly formatted, exactly what we're looking at for what we would expect. So we find the title has a larger and bolder font, and then we have our paragraph, and then we have a nice little separated closer. So that's pretty cool, right? Now, this is a very basic way to set up an article, but let's just go ahead and go a little bit further than that. We'll just make a series of articles. So let's just go ahead and go back to Lorem Ipsum and copy. Yeah, actually, before, I don't even want to do that. Let's just go ahead and go back to our coding, copy and paste all this code several times. And all we're going to do just to save time is change the title. So let's go ahead and say the cool kids, crazy ones, other stuff, just to get an idea on how this content's going to come together, because that's what makes a website. Alright, so let's save and run this and see what we get. Alright, so it's all formatted the same way. It's kind of looking more Craigslist style, but you get my drift. But you have what's looking to be a functional website in no time at all. And we haven't even cracked open the third tutorial. So I really hope this solidifies what I said in the last tutorial and gives you a better idea on what I was talking about. I understand that a lot of this can potentially get confusing, and I can't emphasize enough how much it gets easier once you put a little bit more time into understanding it. So anyways, thanks for watching, you guys, and please do subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.